YouTube. This is my 10-gallon fish tank, and I'm gonna show you what I have in here. So there, I have a catfish, 3 red parrots, 2 largemouth bass. I'm gonna feed them something. Bloodworms. I have 2 red crabs. There's one in here and one up here. One of them just came out of its old shell. I'm gonna feed my catfish some more shrimp pellets. See if he comes out. It's actually the catfish I have that's been eating the most. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, please subscribe and like.